Breathe easy, sleep soundly. The importance of respiratory health. We all know how important it is to breathe. Every breath we take fuels our body with the oxygen it needs to function properly. Without it, our cells wouldn't be able to produce the energy required for daily activities. It's the very essence of life. From the moment we take our first breath as newborns, our respiratory system is hard at work, ensuring that every cell in our body gets the oxygen it needs. But have you ever stopped to think about the incredible system that makes it all possible? The respiratory system is a marvel of biological engineering, consisting of the nose, throat, windpipe, and lungs, all working in harmony. Your respiratory system is a complex network responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. This exchange happens in the tiny air sacs in your lungs called alveoli, where oxygen enters the bloodstream and carbon dioxide is removed. It works tirelessly, day in and day out, to keep you alive and thriving. Whether you're running a marathon or simply sitting at your desk, your respiratory system is constantly at work, adapting to your body's needs. Just as crucial as breathing is the role of a strong immune system. Your immune system is a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend your body against harmful invaders. Your immune system is your body's natural defense force, protecting you from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. It identifies and neutralizes pathogens, preventing infections and illnesses. When your immune system is strong, you're less likely to get sick. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep all contribute to a robust immune system, helping you stay healthy and active. And when you do get sick, you're more likely to bounce back quickly. A strong immune system can reduce the severity and duration of illnesses, allowing you to recover faster and get back to your daily routine. But sometimes our respiratory and immune systems need a little extra support. Environmental factors, stress, and poor lifestyle choices can weaken these systems, making us more susceptible to illnesses. That's where nature comes in, offering a wealth of powerful ingredients to help us breathe easier and strengthen our defenses. Herbs like eucalyptus, peppermint, and ginger have been used for centuries to support respiratory health and boost the immune system. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can make a significant difference. Whether it's through herbal teas, essential oils, or dietary supplements, nature provides us with the tools we need to maintain optimal respiratory and immune health. Remember, taking care of your respiratory and immune systems is not just about avoiding illness. It's about enhancing your overall quality of life. When you can breathe easily and your body is well defended, you can enjoy life to the fullest. So, take a moment to appreciate the incredible systems at work within your body. Practice healthy habits, embrace natural remedies, and give your respiratory and immune systems the support they need to keep you thriving. Breathe easy, sleep soundly, and live a vibrant, healthy life. Your respiratory and immune health are worth every effort. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to Body Fit Flicks for more tips on health through natural remedies and body exercises. Nature's Elixir, Unveiling an Ancient Remedy. This ancient formula has been cherished for its remarkable healing properties. For centuries, people have turned to nature to find relief from common ailments. From the bustling markets of ancient civilizations to the quiet kitchens of rural homes, natural remedies have been a cornerstone of health and wellness. One such remedy, passed down through generations, is a simple yet potent elixir designed to clear mucus, improve breathing, and promote restful sleep. This elixir is more than just a remedy. It is a tradition, a piece of history that connects us to our ancestors. This elixir harnesses the power of 4 key ingredients: elderberry, ginger, lemon, and honey. Each ingredient is carefully selected for its unique properties and combined to create a powerful, natural remedy. Elderberry is known for its immune-boosting properties, helping to ward off colds and flu. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, aids in digestion and soothes the respiratory system. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, detoxifies the body and enhances the immune system. Honey, a natural antibacterial and antioxidant, soothes the throat and provides a sweet, pleasant taste. Each of these ingredients boasts unique properties that, when combined, create a synergistic effect on the body. Together, they form a powerful elixir that not only addresses symptoms but also promotes overall health and well-being. Let's delve deeper into the individual benefits of each ingredient and discover how they contribute to a healthier you. By understanding the science behind these natural ingredients, we can appreciate the wisdom of our ancestors and continue to benefit from their knowledge in our modern lives. Elderberry, the immune system's best friend. Elderberry, often consumed as a syrup or extract, has long been revered for its immune-boosting properties. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, elderberry helps fight off free radicals, those pesky molecules that can damage cells and weaken the immune system. Studies have shown that elderberry can shorten the duration of colds and flu and may even help prevent these illnesses altogether. Its ability to reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract makes it an excellent choice for relieving congestion and promoting clear breathing. Ginger, a spicy root with powerful benefits. Ginger, a staple in traditional medicine systems for centuries, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This spicy root contains gingerol, a powerful compound that helps break down mucus and clear airways. Ginger is also known to soothe sore throats and reduce coughing, making it an effective natural remedy for colds and other respiratory infections. Its warming properties can also help relax the body and prepare it for a restful night's sleep. Lemon, a tangy citrus fruit, is an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in supporting immune function. Vitamin C helps boost the production of white blood cells, the body's first line of defense against infection. Lemon's acidic nature also helps thin mucus, making it easier to expel. Its refreshing aroma can even help open up nasal passages and promote clear breathing. Honey, a natural sweetener produced by bees, is more than just a delicious treat. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds that can help soothe coughs and sore throats. Raw honey, in particular, contains enzymes that help break down mucus and reduce inflammation. Its soothing properties can also help calm irritated airways and promote restful sleep. Now that you understand the incredible benefits of each ingredient, it's time to put that knowledge into action. Let's gather everything you need to create your own mucus-clearing elixir. This simple yet powerful drink can help you feel better and breathe easier. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of water, preferably filtered or spring water for the best quality. 1 tablespoon of dried elderberries or 2 tablespoons of elderberry syrup. Elderberries are known for their immune-boosting properties. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, thinly sliced. Ginger is excellent for reducing inflammation and soothing the throat. Half a lemon juiced. Lemon adds a refreshing citrus flavor and is rich in vitamin C. 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Honey not only sweetens the elixir, but also has antibacterial properties. Now let's start making the elixir. 1. Combine the water, elderberries or syrup, and ginger in a small saucepan. Make sure to stir the mixture well to ensure all the ingredients are evenly distributed. 2. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together and the beneficial compounds to be extracted. 3. Remove the saucepan from the heat and carefully strain the liquid into a mug. Use a fine mesh strainer to catch any solid pieces of elderberry or ginger. 4. Stir in the freshly squeezed lemon juice and raw honey until they are well combined. The lemon juice adds a tangy kick, while the honey balances it with sweetness. 5. Allow the elixir to cool slightly before enjoying. Sip slowly and feel the soothing effects as it works to clear your mucus and boost your immune system. Enjoy this natural remedy whenever you need a little extra support. Embrace the power of nature's remedy. This elixir is best enjoyed warm, ideally before bedtime. As you sip on this soothing concoction, visualize the potent ingredients working their magic, clearing your airways, boosting your immune system, and preparing your body for a night of deep, restful sleep. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of natural remedies. Incorporate this elixir into your daily routine, especially during cold and flu season, to experience its full potential. Share the gift of wellness. Have you tried this elixir and experienced its incredible benefits? Don't keep it to yourself. Share this natural remedy with your loved ones and help them breathe easier and sleep soundly too. Breathe deep, sleep deep. Experiencing the benefits. With regular consumption, you can expect to experience a noticeable difference in your respiratory health. You may find yourself breathing easier, sleeping more soundly, and feeling more energized throughout the day. Remember, this elixir is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you experience persistent respiratory issues, consult with your healthcare provider. A healthier you naturally. By embracing the power of natural remedies like this elixir, you're taking a proactive approach to your health and overall well-being. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health and happiness. So go ahead, raise your mug to clearer breathing, better sleep, and a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to my channel Body Fit Flicks for more on health through natural remedies and body exercises.